How to troubleshoot download errors on Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, make sure you are logged into your account. If you face download errors after processing your files, start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Try refreshing the download page or restarting your browser to fix any temporary glitches. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as old data might interfere with the download process. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. If the problem persists, try using a different browser or device to download the files. Check that your subscription plan allows downloads. Free versions may have limitation on file downloads. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Lalal.ai support by emailing support@lalal.ai with details about your problem. And that's it. Now you know how to troubleshoot download errors on Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.